सबमिट करवा दिए तो मुझे कब तक मिलेगी?
When you have submitted your copy, you know that it will take a time to check, and I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow you will get your copy. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Just take a break for 5 minutes and come back. And all of you, after the break, just switch on your camera. I'm taking your attendance. And Abhishek, Anshul Chaudhary, Cherry Vijay, Amandeep, Arnav Mathur, Asta. Asta, two Asta is there. I don't know Asta Sharma. Both Asta, just rename yourself. Asta, just rename yourself. Ayush Chaudhary. Rishita, Shubham, Harsh. Harsh, first of all, switch on your camera first of all. बंद कर दो बिल्कुल टाइट बंद हर्ष Harsh, please unmute yourself and start your camera.
आपकी आवाज तो सुनती है।
Yeah, my room. Okay. Low latitude. Yes or no? What are the latitudes? What answer? What are the latitudes? Part unmute yourself. Part
Imaginary line on a globe running in a east-west direction on. Ma'am, what is this?
I could have just spell the word. Spell the word. Parallels of latitude.
Parallels of latitude.
Beta, एक minute. No need to read from a book. What you have understand about the globe? Just tell me.
Ma'am, क्या?
What do you understand about the globe?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
What is globe? Diana, what is globe? What is globe?
Ma'am, a globe is a spherical model of the Earth. Globe is a small model of the Earth.
Okay. Cherry Vijay,
Yes, ma'am.
what is latitude?
Latitudes are the but latitudes are vertical lines that
Latitudes are vertical line.
no horizontal lines. Sorry.
Cherry, just be honest and tell me that had you opened your book after we have finished this topic? Yes or no? Which line divide Earth in equal two parts?
Equator.
And degree? What is the degree of it?
8 degree 0.
Okay. Two poles?
Yes, ma'am.
Two poles.
North Pole and South Pole.
Upper part of North Pole is called?
Northern Hemisphere.
And lower part?
Southern Hemisphere.
Now, In today's class, and how when? Which is the hottest zone?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the hottest zone?
Torrid zone.
And coolest?
Frigid zone.
Okay. Important of a parallel of the latitude. Ayush Chaudhary. Ayush, unmute yourself. Hansika. Unmute yourself, beta.
Yeah, present, ma'am.
Okay. Important of parallel of latitude. It is divided into 4 parts, na?
Yes,
Parallel of latitude. Name them.
Tropic of Capricorn,
Hmm.
Tropic of Cancer,
Hmm.
और
Arctic Circle.
सर्कल और नहीं आ रहा
Antarctic Circle.
अंटार्कटिक सर्कल.
Okay. Sectors, please revise your topics which we have done.
ओके
मैं बार बार एक ही चीज कहती हूँ, revise it.
मैम आपने कल करवाए थे ना ये
Yesterday before.
मैम यस्टरडे में मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं थी इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं था.
Okay. Now, today we will do a topic name is longitude. All you know that Earth having a two main parts, imaginary lines, to help us to find the location of places on the Earth or on the globe. To help us to find imaginary lines. By the help of imaginary lines, the latitude and longitude are drawn on the globe. They are drawn diagram lines running to east to west, and the line which runs north to south past pole is called a longitude. Longitude is divided into two parts, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. And it's called a prime meridian. All we have discussed about that. Important of parallel, topic of Cancer, topic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Okay, and then the temperature zone we have discussed about that. The temperature zone has divided into three main parts: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Frigid zone is the coolest, you can say, the Arctic portion, upper portion of and lowest bottom portion. North frigid zone and south. Then is the temperate zone, and then in the center of the, you can say, the torrid zone. Yashika, just pin अपनी हेयर क्लिप से बाल बांध लो, आंखों में आ रहे हैं तो. Temperate torrid zone is the hottest zone, and the temperate zone is divided into two hemisphere and northern hemisphere. The topic of Cancer, a vertically, and the frigid zone, a slanting line. Rays of sun is very cold zone that we all have discussed it. Now, longitudes. A new topic we will start today. The longitudes are the imaginary line vertically from the North Pole and to the South Pole. I'm sharing your PPT. We will read it one by one. Our topic is longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines running vertically. Remember one thing, longitude मतलब लंबा, L long means लंबा, तो it will be a vertical line. आपको up and down are
तो बच्चों
vertical
आज हम
lines.
पढ़ेंगे म्यूजिक।
जी सर।
लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, हम जो भी बात करेंगे वो म्यूजिक में करेंगे।
जी सर।
तो मेरे साथ गाओ।
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती। एक मिनट सर।
हाँ रमेश भाई, मेरी अम्मी खंबे से चिपक गई है, तू जल्दी आ जा।
Unmute yourself. Who has done
आगे
this?
बोलो।
सर रमेश की अम्मा पकड़ के खम्मा नाचे छम्मा छम्मा।
Seriously, sex
तो
class,
बच्चों,
behave yourself.
इतना भी कीमती ना समझ खुद को, हम गरीब।
Who have done this? Seriously, you didn't know how to behave in the classroom. I have 100 times I told you to switch off your camera. More. Unmute yourself. Two down. It is called longitudes. Longitude is the measurement of east or west of prime meridian. Longitude is the imaginary line run around the earth. देखो around the earth, पूरे earth के ऊपर जो vertical line है up and down, वो कहलाती है अपनी longitudes. And meet at north and south pole. ये किससे जाके मिलती है? North pole से and south pole से. और जो center point है इसको कहते हैं prime meridian. A line of longitude. Yeah. What is longitudes? Longitudes are the imaginary line. Imaginary line vertically from North Pole to South Pole. North Pole से लेके South Pole तक जो line run करती है उसे हम कहते हैं longitudes. The longitudes are also called a meridians. इनको हम longitude का एक और name क्या है इनका? Meridians. इनको और हम ये क्या और क्या कहते हैं? Meridians. And the zero meridian जो उसे है कहते हैं हम prime meridian. There are 360 meridians in all over the. All they have in the 360 meridian means 180 up to 180 west and 180 that side. It equals to 360 meridians. The prime meridian in the center longitude is divided into two vertical halves. Is called as the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Look, two equal parts में जब इसको हम divide करते हैं, एक को हम कहते हैं western hemisphere and second is called eastern hemisphere. It runs, it's called like Greenwich in England. Greenwich in England. The prime meridian, देखो. This point, you have to see at this point, arrow I have shown you. This is called Greenwich meridian. In England. It's also called the Greenwich meridian. It's regarded as a 0-degree longitude. All the lines longitude are given number 0 to 180. इन सबको ने क्या नंबर दे रखे? 0 से 180. Look, this is a 0 degree. ये प्राइम मेरिडियन की लाइन है, तो 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. देन नीचे से वो और 360. Each degree is divided into minutes and minutes into second. आपको पता है पहले डिग्री जैसे 180 डिग्री, फिर उसको डिवाइड इनटू मिनट एंड मिनट्स को डिवाइड किया है किसमें? सेकंड्स में. The semicircle and the distance for the dividing distance seconds and degree towards the pole, 0 at the pole. 0 at the pole. (180) eastward and 180 westward. 180 vertical line to एक साइड तो करेंगे 180 east and 180 west. As all the meridians are the equal length, it is difficult to number of meridians. It decided on which should begin from the meridian which passed through the Greenwich, with the British Royal Observatory is located. The meridian is called the prime meridian. Value of 0-degree longitude from its 180 eastward and 180 westward. The Earth is divided into half. Greenwich meridian. West hemisphere and the east hemisphere. Label longitude is the place followed by E for east and west for W. Just look at this picture. The meridian line goes to England, Greenwich point of reference point to longitude. This line is known as a prime meridian. देखो ये वाली जो लाइन हम कहते हैं प्राइम मेरिडियन. एक साइड होता है ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड सेकंड दूसरी साइड होता है वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. ओके, ऑल द लाइन जो लॉन्गिट्यूड के होते हैं हम कहते हैं मेरिडियंस. 180 of east and 180 of west. Other features of longitudes. The main feature of longitudes are, unlike longitude equal length is called a meridian. देखो ये हाफ जो सर्किल को हम जब हाफ करते हैं, सेमी इक्वल लेंथ इज कॉल्ड मेरिडियन. इनको जब हम हाफ करते हैं इनको क्या कहते हैं? सेमी सर्किल हाफ मेरिडियन. 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड इज कॉल्ड प्राइम मेरिडियन. जो 0 डिग्री है इसे हम कहते हैं क्या? प्राइम मेरिडियन. दिस लाइन have you seen the 0 of this line? 360 meridian of longitude 180 east and 180 for west. 180 for east this side में and 180 for west. Each line of longitude corresponding between a meridian opposite side earth, which is 180 apart. At the great circle, a great circle divides the earth into two equal halves. The maximum distance between two meridian equators, which is 111 for a 1 degree of longitude. मैंने आपको ये पहले भी बताया था. 1 degree 111 kilometers for 1 degree of longitude. The distance between any meridian decrease as go away the equator towards pole. All the meridian meet to the pole. जितने भी meridian को pole पे pole and south pole. Okay, guess. Can you guess the which is the east and west to refer to 180 longitude? It is because the 180 longitude represents the 180 east and 180 east longitudes. This is one from the Pacific Ocean. It's called International Date Time. It divides into eastern and western hemisphere. First, just look the first picture on your screen. This is called Greenwich, England, or Greenwich Meridian, जिससे time located होता है. पता है पीछे एक स्टोरी थी कि जब फर्स्ट टाइम मीटिंग होनी थी तो तभी से टाइम सेट कर दिया था इंग्लैंड से. That's why all the watches time had been running from the Greenwich, England. It had been standardized at time. North Pole and South Pole, this line is called a prime meridian and this is called equator. Prime meridian and equator are the 0 degree. Minute in seconds. Clear? Now the second picture. Prime meridian, this line, meridians, all the longitudes, जो vertical lines are upside down, वो कहलाती है हमारी meridians. दिखा 180 ऐसे, like this. The prime meridian set the longitudes. It divides Earth to eastern and western. ये two divided हो गए. Enlarging this picture. Prime meridian, eastern, ये देखो, ये जो part, हम कहते हैं this part. Eastern and western, all the longitude measured in the angle which is a degree. Send the Earth from intersection of meridian and equator. Picture. North Pole 90 degree, South Pole, then two equal parts, eastern and western hemisphere. Time, meridian time, Earth on its axis. You can see the center of the Earth at this point. Meridian, suppose Europe is there, Asia is there. Europe, the meridian time longitude are run, London, Greenwich. Okay, the latitudes, these lines. Clear? Now the longitude and time. Longitude and the time. ये देखो. This time and longitude. Longitude and the times are very related to each other. ये एक दूसरे से क्या है जुड़े हुए हैं. The Earth completes the one rotation in 24 hours. पूरा Earth है जो अपना एक किस पे complete करती है 24 hours में. पूरा ये अर्थ अपना कितने में पूरा करेगी 24 आवर्स. वन रोटेशन 360 डिग्री. ये पूरा कितने में है 360 डिग्री. 15 लॉन्गिट्यूड इन 1 आवर. ये 15 लॉन्गिट्यूड जो लॉन्गिट्यूड है ये सपोज 15 ये कितने में 1 आवर में. एंड 1 लॉन्गिट्यूड इन 4 मिनट्स. इट इज द टाइम डिफरेंस. phase of longitude टाइम डिफरेंस कितना है लॉन्गिट्यूड में 4 मिनट का डिफरेंस है. This is a very useful calculating the time. Europe, North Pole, South Pole, Antarctic, meridian, and now the longitude and the time. Longitude is the relation between the time. The Earth rotation on its own axis from west to east. आपको मैंने पहले बताया था अर्थ अपनी खुद के एक्सिस पे घूमती है वेस्ट से ईस्ट पे. In the previous chapter, we already have read about the spherical shape of the Earth. The Earth is a complete full rotation in 24 hours. एक पूरा कितने रोटेशन में लगाती है? 24 hours. I have told you about that. 24 hours. Okay, 360 a day. 360 a day. पूरे दिन में कितनी बार 360 degree and 1 hour में कितनी 15 degree and planet में 1 longitude means 1 degree. It Earth rotates from west to east. आप सोचते हो कि ईस्ट में सनराइज होता है और अर्थ हमारी घूमती है वेस्ट से ईस्ट. The sun seems rise earlier in one place located east of the prime meridian longitude also has determined the time. क्योंकि अर्थ जो है प्राइम मेरिडियन पे सन राइज होता है located the place of the meridian longitude helps determine the time. और टाइम की कैलकुलेशन करने में काम में आए. The 24 hours of day divided to 24 hours में डिवाइड करते हैं 2 days longitude और 12 hours and then afternoon. Before this meridian is before the noon and the post meridian is which means that now post noon. 7 o'clock in the morning is 7 a.m. a.m. and p.m. full form line and the meridian and the post time a.m. Similarly, when the 5 o'clock the evening of 5 p.m. For 50 longitude, we have the one time zone. Now the 360 degree of longitude, so we have in the 24 degree time zone. अभी देखो 360 degree का है. तो 15 का longitude, we having a one time zone. 15 degree का हमारा कितना है? एक time zone. और 360 का हो गया हमारी 24 hours. 12 for noon, 12 for afternoon. Now the Greenwich is a place of the United Kingdom. अब आपके टाइम को जो है Greenwich Meridian. It is located in the United Kingdom near the London. This time is used as the standard all over the world. पूरा वो time के calculation, time calculation में world में हम time calculate करते हैं. The meridian passes through this place. Which divides us in eastern and western hemisphere. इसके पास से और क्या है? पास से meridian जो prime meridian है वो उसके पास से pass हो रही है. That's why we call it has Earth eastern and western hemisphere. The Earth rotates from east to west. East of Greenwich will be called Greenwich time. Those west will be behind it. East है. फ्रंट में जो सन आ रहा है देखो वेस्ट टू ईस्ट घूमती है. ईस्ट पे ग्रीनविच है. है a Greenwich time. Those are behind it. ईस्ट का सामने रहता है तो वेस्ट उसके पीछे रहेगा. The Earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. In place of watch can be to read the 12 o'clock when the sun is at the point in the sky. Now the Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian, GMT. What is the full form of GMT? Greenwich mean time. All the time measured होते हैं Greenwich time. Suburb of London in England. The 0 degree longitude line in the prime meridian passes through the Greenwich. Greenwich means a GMT. The time ends the Greenwich. A Greenwich was chosen as lots of world sees the chart behind the drawn England that time. Now about the standard time. Standard time is the time that all the residents of time zone of the country keep it. Standard time क्या होता है? तो all the countries of the time को Is a time zone or country keep it. It is a local time of central or standard meridian. Choose by that country. The standard time zone often follows the boundaries that agree on the national political boundaries. In India, there is a difference between the 360 degree in the westmost and the easternmost boundary. To avoid the confusion, the local time of 82 degrees is to correct the standard time for the entire country. Standard meridian for the East in India standard time, it shows the 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich meridian. The noon of England, it would be up 5:30 in India. All the earth rotates from west to east, place east to see the sun first, while the place the west see the sun later. East में हम sun को पहले देखते हैं, and west में हम sun को बाद में देखते हैं. Now the standard time local time various places of different to adopt the local time of central meridian of country at the standard time. सबको अपना time according to the countries. 82 degree east stated in the standard meridian of the India. India के लिए 82 degree stated as the standard meridian of India. The local time at this meridian is known as the Indian Standard Time. India located east of which India located at 82 degrees 30 east is the 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of a Greenwich meridian. 5.5 घंटे जिसे बोलते हैं हम ahead. Some countries have long meridian, so they have adopted a one standard time. International date time. International date time is the prime meridian of which the longitudes passes through Greenwich, England. Standard time, international time किसके पास है? Zero. England में जो England, United Kingdom, meridian longitude of 0 degree. When we travel towards the east, the person will gain a time of meridian 180 of east. It is a personally meridian 12 at GMT. I told you Greenwich meridian. One travels towards the east, a person will lose the time meridian 180 degree. Whereas 180 meridian is for 24, that means 15 degree का अगर है तो 360 डिवाइड करते हैं तो कितना होता है? 24. It is the time that changes exactly hence. You gain one day you will travel to west left and gain one day when you travel east across the 180 longitudes. Now I am showing you the video. मुझे पता है आज you are all muted because it's your punishment. What you have done in my class. I'm getting this video, just have a look at it. Everyone just pay attention on the pictures.
Longitude describes the location of a place on the Earth, east or west, of a north to south running imaginary line called the prime meridian. The lines of longitude are lines running north-south through the poles. Longitude is the number of degrees east or west of the right meridian, which passes through Greenwich. Lines of longitude are measured from the center region, which passes through.
Longitude describe the location of the place on the earth. आपको पता है longitude, latitude of the imaginary line, and it's help to find the places on the globe or location on the globe. East say west. This is east. You can see that. This is the west. You can see it. Of the north and the south pole running the imaginary lines are called prime meridian. All the vertical lines we call meridians. The lines of the longitudes are running to north to south poles. Jitni line vertically, we call them a meridians. And all longitudes. Longitudes are number of degrees. मैंने ये बताया था degree 15 degree. It's a time calculation of 1. When we divide 360, it's called divide on answer will be 24 hours. Line of longitude running to north is the longitude number degree east से west prime meridian. Prime meridian जो है वो कितना है 0 degree. Which passes through the Greenwich, England. वो कहाँ से पास होता है देखो 0 degree prime meridian और ये किधर से पास हो रहा है Greenwich, England. और इसी के टाइम को लोकेट करते हुए हम ऑल द वर्ल्ड के टाइम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं.
Lines of longitude are measured.
Now, lines of longitude measure from center of the earth. कहाँ से measure करते हैं हम अर्थ के सेंटर से उसको measure करते हैं किसको lines of longitude को 0 prime meridian. Longitude of line divide the world into 2 segments. हम इसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं सेगमेंट में. These line divide the world up to 2 segments. अर्थ को किसने 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया आपको पता होगा. आपने एक सिंपल से हम पढ़ते हैं पर सुनते हैं एक साइड दिन रहता है एक साइड रात रहती है. ये मीन्स अगर ईस्ट में सनलाइट है तो वेस्ट में क्या होगा सनलाइट नहीं होगी.
Measured from the center of the earth. These lines divide the world up into segments.
Now the prime meridian 0 degree 180 meridian at the longitude. ये देखो नॉर्थ पोल अर्थ को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया वर्ल्ड को और एक साइड अपना ईस्टर्न आ गया एक साइड अपना वेस्टर्न आ जाता है नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. और 0 degree meridians 180 degree of longitude is a great circle that divides Earth into 2 parts. It's like eastern hemisphere, second way is western hemisphere.
Region and the 180th region is a great circle that divides the earth into the eastern and the western.
You can see that the world map of India at here. Europe, Greenwich meridian. अभी देखो यहाँ पे यूरोप के
Eastern hemisphere. The
180 degree of longitude line is also refers to the international date line. 180 चीज को नोट डाउन कर लो. 180 डिग्री की जो लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइन है ना ग्रीनविच वाली बताएगी तो इंटरनेशनल डेट टाइम. टोक्यो, लॉस एंजलिस, सिडनी, ये जो लाइन आ रही है 180 की जो अपनी प्राइम मेरिडियन के पास और इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. Longitude defines the term meridian with a half circle running from the pole to pole. जितनी भी lines run हो रही है half pole से pole, it's called a longitude. The meridian number up to 180 degree to east, ये 180 to east होगा and 180 to west, and 0 degree हमारा prime meridian is located. जैसे 0 degree equator था north and south pole, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, as the same eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Is from the 0 degree longitude of the prime meridian.
Longitude is defined in terms of meridians, which are half circles running from pole to pole. The meridians are numbered up to 180 degrees to the east, like meridian.
अब मेरिडियंस देखो जितने मेरिडियंस है ना,
value of a meridian is followed by
वैल्यू किससे फॉलो बाय करते हैं? E फॉर ईस्ट एंड W फॉर वेस्ट. ओके, 180 डिग्री ऑफ ईस्ट आ जाएगा, 180 डिग्री ऑफ वेस्ट आ जाएगा. टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? 360 मेरिडियन. और 360 मेरिडियन को 15 डिग्री ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड ऑफ एवरी जोन. हर टाइम जोन के लिए कितना है? 15 डिग्री. और 15 डिग्री को हम 360 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो 24 आवर टाइम जोन आ जाता है हमारा. 12 नून का, 12 आफ्टरनून का.
letter east or west. 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are the same. There are 360 meridians in total. The word meridian means the highest position of a
Listen very carefully this line.
star or the sun, which reaches its highest position at midday. A line of longitude is called a meridian of longitude because all places located on it have midday at the same time.
All line of longitude is called a meridian longitude. क्यों कहते हैं? Because located places जो located है वहाँ पे midday के सारे सबका टाइम क्या होता है? Same. Meridian are not a parallel. They are come together at the pole.
Meridians are not parallel. They come together at poles. The parallels and meridians form a mesh or a grid. The grid is found in flat maps and globes. As the earth turns, the sun appears to move across the sky. This motion gives us day and night. A global time system is also oriented to the sun.
Every day the sun rises from east and set in the west. जब sun rises होता है किसमें? east पे, और तापमान डाउन होता है west में. This movement caused by the rotation of the earth from west to east. West से east घूम रही है, इसके कारण ये होता है time rotation. Therefore, the place of earth giving the longitudes. The earth takes 24 hours to complete 360 meridian. पूरा जो 24 hours लेती है एक meridian एक सर्किल चक्कर लगाने में. और 360 divided by 24, there 15 degree meridian or 1 hour for 1 meridian, 4 minutes for 60 minutes for 15. Base the calculation and the difference in the time difference in the places calculated. Time calculation कैसे करते हैं? 360 डिग्री मतलब पूरी अर्थ घूम रही है 360 डिग्री 24 आवर पे, और उसको 1 डिग्री कितना है? 15 डिग्री. इट्स फॉर द वन टाइम जोन. एक टाइम जोन कितना है? 15 डिग्री का. और 15 डिग्री 15 टाइम जोन एंड 360 15 को मतलब 360 डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितने जोन आ जाएंगे? ओके
Of minutes. Based on this calculation, the difference in time of different places is calculated by this universal time meridian. Was chosen to be the location by dividing. In 1884, scientists
1884 में जब साइंटिस्ट got the issue by dividing Earth 24 zone. Each zone had a 15 degree. Greenwich, England was chosen the location of the time. उस समय 1884 में ग्रीनविच जो इंग्लैंड था वहाँ पे टाइम के लोकेशन यूनिवर्सल टाइम के लिए लोकेटेड के लिए चूज किया. इट इज लोकेटेड ऑल द मेरिडियन ऑफ प्राइम मेरिडियन.
solved this issue by dividing the Earth into 24 time zones. Each zone is approximately 15 degree longitude wide. Greenwich, England was chosen to be the location for universal time because it's located along the prime meridian. It is calculated by this universal time, also known as the Greenwich Mean Time. For example, Chicago is GMT minus 6 hours. So, when it's 7 p.m. Greenwich, it is 1 p.m.
शिकागो देखो टाइम के एग्जांपल देखो. Greenwich time, Chicago, 6 hours to 8, and 7 p.m. at minor the time will be 1 p.m.
Occurs at different times at different meridians. So the local time varies from one meridian to another. Standard time is the time in any of the 24 time zones into which the Earth is divided. The Indian Standard Time is the time we observe throughout India, or
Okay, we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much, but I am very disappointed from your class today, what you have done it. And which topic I have, the chapter is completed, but what points I have been left to explain, I will explain you in next class. We will discuss the question answer. Thank you so much. Okay. अब next class में discuss करेंगे और topics को जो रह गए, and question answers also. And please find out the question answer, mark in your book, and the topic. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Mahavir sir. Mahavir sir. Mahavir sir. Mahavir sir. Mahavir sir, can I leave the class?